Hey guys, today I'm going to show you the easiest way to get Bitcoin. So if we just head on over to the bitcoin.org site, there's lots of valuable information about Bitcoin. And what we're interested in here is to get Bitcoin. Now you'll need a wallet. You can have an online wallet or you can have one locally on your mobile phone or PC. But let's have a look at Buy Bitcoin. So an easy way to get Bitcoin is to use a Bitcoin exchange. Or discover people selling Bitcoin in your community, or even use a Bitcoin ATM. Now all of these ideas have their drawbacks. By using a Bitcoin exchange, you'll need to register and they will perform a Know Your Customer process, which means you'll need to share your personal information, driver's license, passport information, or anything that they can use to identify you. It's a little bit complicated and sometimes it does take a few days. Now, discovering people selling Bitcoin in your community is a much better way. You can use a site like Local Bitcoins to help you search for a real person willing to sell or buy Bitcoins near you. Or if a Bitcoin meetup in your area only happens once a month, it could take some time and the price could fluctuate quite a bit. So the other idea is to find a Bitcoin ATM machine. There's currently over 2,000 Bitcoin ATM machines on the map. But what they don't tell you there is there's quite a hefty transaction fee involved. And of course you need to have one in your local area. Now there are other places you can get Bitcoin easily, places like Coinbase.com. Now you can buy and sell your digital currency on this platform, but again they'll perform the Know Your Customer process on you. So you'll be sharing a lot of personal information. Another common site is blocktrades.us, but again, when you're converting fiat or your local currency into digital currency, there's quite a difficult process to follow. You can even just sign up to an exchange because they'll accept dollars too, and you'll need to transfer that from your bank or via a wire. But the easiest way to get Bitcoin is just to join Steemit. Now, Steemit isn't actually Bitcoin, but it's a digital currency that can be converted into Bitcoin. In fact, one of the sites that I just showed you will actually convert your Steem into Bitcoin to your nominated Bitcoin address. But surely they're not just giving money away. Well, as you can see here, this is my blog, and you just need to write. People will have a look at your blog and determine its worth by upvoting. If we just refresh the page here, this is a blog post I did a little while ago, and it was at 53 cents. But now we can see I've gained a few more votes and I've earned a few more dollars. Now don't expect to be making a lot of money immediately, although I have only been doing Steemit for a couple of weeks now. And if we have a look at my wallet, my estimated account value is currently at $339. Now I can convert Steem dollars or Steem into Bitcoin quite easily. But to make the most of Steemit, you power up as much as you can, and that helps you to earn more dollars along the way. So for someone looking to get into Bitcoin and wanting to get Bitcoin for free, don't waste your time on faucets. So join a community like Steemit, and over time you can actually build your community and start to get paid a decent amount of money. Now these are all the top posts currently on the site. So don't expect these sorts of numbers immediately. But over time, your reputation will improve and so too will your rewards. So this is the easiest way to get Bitcoin. And you're effectively getting Bitcoin for free. You just need to do a little bit of work and share a few pictures and type a few words. But if you don't like writing words and you much prefer to make videos, well, you can also make money via d.tube. d.tube is connected to the Steem blockchain and you get paid similarly to Steemit. And unlike YouTube, you can get paid almost immediately. You can accrue earnings for 7 days and after this time you get paid. If you want to learn a little bit more about Steemit, don't forget to check out my other YouTube tutorials. And until next time, it's bye for now.